Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Today, two date functions, workday and workday.intl. They take a start date and a number of days, then return a future or past date counted in workdays only. INTL lets you customize the weekend. 4 real examples coming up. First up, the basic syntax. We want the date 5 workdays after Blastoise was caught. Type equals workday, open paren, L3 for the start date, comma, 5 for the number of workdays, close paren, hit enter. L3 is January 18th, a Thursday. Workday skips the weekend and lands on Thursday, January 25th. Pass a negative number for a past date instead. Now we add a holiday. We want the date 10 workdays after L3, but January 22nd is a holiday. Type equals workday, open paren, L3, comma, 10, comma, date, open paren, 2024, comma, 1, comma, 22, close paren, hit enter. Workday counts 10 weekdays forward from L3, then bumps past the holiday. We land on February 2nd, 2024. Now workday.intl with a custom weekend. We want 5 workdays after L3, but the work week runs Sunday through Thursday with a Friday-Saturday weekend. Type equals workday.intl, open paren, L3, comma, 5, comma, 7 for the weekend code, close paren, hit enter. Code 7 means Friday and Saturday off. We land on Thursday, January 25th. Last one, the full power of workday.intl. You can pass a 7-character string for any custom weekend plus a holiday. Type equals workday.intl, open paren, L3, comma, 10, comma, quote, 000011, quote, for the weekend pattern, comma, date, open paren, 2024, comma, 1, comma, 22, close paren, hit enter. The string reads Monday through Sunday, where 0 means workday and 1 means weekend. Result, February 2nd. So that's workday and workday.intl. 2 functions for finding a date that's a given number of workdays before or after a starting date. Workday uses a fixed Saturday-Sunday weekend. Workday.intl lets you customize the weekend with a numeric code from 1 to 17 or a 7-character string for any pattern you can dream up. Both accept an optional holiday list to skip specific dates. Perfect for deadlines, delivery dates, project schedules, and SLA calculations. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your Workday formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.